Hi everyone, this is Jesin from EdulogiX, where we provide you all the information you need to start your career in your preferred destinations. If you are a registered midwife in your home country, this video is for you. In this video, I will be telling you all the information you need to become an Australian registered midwife. Midwifery is a highly sought after profession in Australia and its demand is growing day by day. Today, I will walk you through to the steps to become a registered midwife in Australia as an international midwife. A midwife's role is very crucial, spanning from antenatal care to postnatal care as well as care of a newborn baby. If you are a midwife in your home country, you need to navigate two main processes in Australia to become a registered midwife. The first is getting registered with AHPRA or Australian Health Practitioner Regulation Agency, and second is finding a suitable visa to immigrate to Australia. Once you are registered with AHPRA, a world of opportunities await you. You can work in hospitals, birthing centers, and also have an independent private practice. You can also do specializations such as becoming a lactation consultant. Now let's talk about the salary in this profession. If you are a registered midwife in Australia, you will make around $85,000 to $95,000 annually. The standard work hours are around 37.5 hours per week, but if you are available, you can pick up extra shifts and make more money. Let's talk about the process for registration with AHPRA. So the AHPRA manages the whole registration procedure for all internationally qualified midwives as well as nurses for Nursing and Midwifery Board of Australia. In terms of the eligibility for application to AHPRA, you should have completed a bachelor degree specifically in midwifery in your home country. Now, each country's qualification is different. So to begin your application, you have to submit all your documents and credentials to AHPRA so that they can assess them and approve you to the next step. Let's talk about the steps for registration. Number one, complete a self-check on the AHPRA portal. The self-check process on the AHPRA's website gives you a brief understanding about whether your qualification will match Australian standards or not. Based on your qualification, you will be streamed into one of the categories, that is stream A, B or C. If you are in stream A, it means that your qualification matches Australian standards and you will not have to appear in any of the exams and can apply directly for the license. Stream B candidates will have to appear in exams, that is a midwifery MCQ examination and a midwifery OSCE examination, and after passing these two exams, you will be provided the license to practice in Australia. Stream C candidates, bad news for you, your qualification does not match the Australian standards and hence you will have to upgrade your current qualification to a bachelor's level and then apply to AHPRA again, and this time you will be approved to write the midwifery MCQ and OSCE exam. If you are in stream B, also it is important for you to note that you will have to submit your IELTS, PTE or OET scores to AHPRA once you have passed OSCE. To gain nursing license in Australia, you need to have 7 each in IELTS or PTE 65 each or OET level B. If you want to know more about these exams, click on the I button. We have done a very detailed video about this. Once you have passed OSCE and have got your IELTS, PTE or OET scores, you can apply for your license to AHPRA, and this time you have to pay $503. You will also have to undergo an international criminal history check, and once AHPRA and NMBA are satisfied, you will be provided the license to practice. Let's quickly talk about the cost involved in this whole procedure. The first fee that you'll have to pay is at the time of your application or once you have created your self-check and portfolio, you'll have to pay $410 to AHPRA as an assessment fees. If you are in stream B and you're required to appear in the midwifery MCQ exam, the cost of that exam is 173 Australian dollars. After passing your midwifery MCQ, when you move on to your OSCE stage, the OSCE exam fee is 4,000 Australian dollars. Last but not the least, when you apply for your license at the final stage, you'll have to pay $503 to AHPRA to get your license. I hope this introductory video about how to become a registered midwife in Australia if you are already a midwife in your home country was useful for you. As always, please make sure to share this video with at least one of your friends so that they can also benefit from this information. Before you leave, please make sure to subscribe to our channel. I'm sure you are able to see how much efforts we put in researching, planning, recording, editing of this video. So we will appreciate if you support us. If you need any assistance for your midwifery AHPRA application and you are looking for professional advice, you can contact us anytime. The numbers will be flashing on the screen. You can also contact us by email. Until next time, my friends, stay safe and stay happy.